Let's learn the correct order to solve a maths problem. It's called BIDMAS. BIDMAS is about doing things in the correct order, like following a recipe when baking a cake. You wouldn't ice the cake before baking it, or crack the eggs on top after it's cooked. You have to follow the steps in the right order to get it right. So the cake turns out perfectly when it comes out of the oven. Maths is the same. BIDMAS helps you follow the right steps so your answer makes sense. If you mix up the order, things can go wrong. Just like with a recipe, BIDMAS is a mathematical acronym that you'll need to know for your SATs and for the 11+ exam if you take it. The letters stand for brackets, indices, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. One of the most common mistakes students make with longer maths problems is jumping straight in and working from left to right. But in maths, that doesn't always work. In this example, if you try and go from left to right, you'll end up with 16, which is the wrong answer. Instead, we follow a specific order of operations set out by BIDMAS to make sure we get the correct answer. For example, if a sum has a multiple and subtraction, you solve the multiplication first, even if they're not at the beginning of the problem. So in the previous example, using BIDMAS will give us the answer 4, which is correct. Remember, getting the order wrong can lead to the wrong answer, so knowing BIDMAS really matters. Let's try a simple example with brackets. What is open bracket 3 plus 2? Close bracket times 4. Remember, brackets come before multiplication, so we solve the brackets first. 3 plus 2 is 5, then 5 times 4 equals 20. Let's try another example. Here's one with subtraction and division. What is 20 minus 6 divided by 3? We do the division first. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Then 20 minus 2 equals 18. Always follow the BIDMAS order. That way, you'll never go wrong. Now it's your turn. What is 100 plus open brackets, 1 plus 4 close brackets, multiplied by 10 plus 3? Do the brackets first, then the multiplication. After that, do the addition. Let's work through the question together, calculating the brackets, multiplication and addition. So the answer is 153. Did you get it right? Thanks for watching Smarty Panthers. Want even more practice? Download your free printable workbook using the link in the video description. It's full of fun challenges to help you feel confident about the 11+. And while you're here, don't forget to explore our other brilliant lessons on the channel.